Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X5 with a 6-cylinder straight 6-cylinder engine, guys, we'll demonstrate on the N52 engine, guys. But even if you have, I think, N52, N53, N54 or even the M54 engine, guys, and you're trying to find where your NOx sensors are located, stay with us and we'll explain that today, guys, and how to get to the NOx sensors. Quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 2 to 3 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make more than 400-500 videos, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you guys. Now, if you need to buy new replacement NOx sensors, any parts or tools for your BMW, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. Here you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So, specifically, guys, okay, that same engine, as I said, it has been used, guys, in multiple BMWs. So, if you guys have a BMW, guys, X5 with a straight 6-cylinder engine, okay, it could be, okay, this is the N52, this engine has been used in BMW, even for instance 1 Series, 3 Series, X3, X5, 6, 7 Series, guys, one of the most popular engines, and you're trying to find where your NOx sensors are located, you will, guys, need to do some serious disassembly. Now, first, guys, you will need to disconnect your car battery, number one, guys. Why? Because if you don't, we're working very close to the engine starter, which is located right here, guys. Engine starter and alternator. You have positive wires that if you touch with your tools, you will see sparks flying and you can burn your engine computer and cause damage to your electrical system. Another thing, guys, very important, number two, how you disconnect the car battery. It really matters which battery post you disconnect first, negative or positive. If you don't know about that already, we have a video, guys, check it out on the channel, which car battery terminal to disconnect first, guys. We'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Once you guys do all that, you will need to remove your intake manifold, okay, on your engine, guys. We demonstrated how to do that on BMW 3 Series, but it will be almost identical for the X5 as well. If you need to remove your intake manifold, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, please check it out. And once you guys remove your intake manifold, okay, you get to the idea, guys, of the video where the NOx sensors are located. Now, right here, guys, looking at it, you have NOx sensor on this side, NOx sensor on that side, guys. One of them is NOx sensor bank 1, one is NOx sensor bank 2, guys. So if you have a problem with bank 1, it will be on this one, or sensor 1 for the first 3 cylinders, and bank 2 or sensor 2 will be for cylinder number 4, 5 and 6. So you will need to remove the intake manifold to get to it, and the NOx sensor wires, okay, they're actually right here, okay, and they mount underneath, okay. So you will need to disconnect them from right here in order to be able, guys, okay, to pull these wires out. Okay, you cannot replace only one sensor, you have to replace both sensors at the same time, okay, both of them, not just one, guys. So it will take, okay, it will take some work. Now let me show you something else quick. Okay, what do you need to use actually to replace them? You need to use a special socket. It's called a female Torx, guys, and that's what the socket looks like. We have the link in the description of the video below. Just at that point, go ahead, get both of them loose, this one and this one, guys, and disconnect the wire and you can pull them out. Now, hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to locate them and replace them. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.